Can you predict and explain what's going to happen to this black thermochromic paper when I cover it with this important message on a piece of white paper and then leave it in the sun? We can see the exposed parts of the thermochromic paper turning white as they heat up, but what will be behind the piece of paper? Pause the video and make your prediction. Did you correctly predict that the thermochromic paper would have turned white just where the I love physics was written on the paper above in black toner? Of course, it fades away as it's now all exposed to the sunlight and getting heated up. This thermochromic paper starts black and then goes translucent, which looks white because it's got a white backing film on it, when it's heated up to over 28 degrees C. Because it was hot today, I've put it in the fridge to cool it down, and now I've put my hand on it, and I'll leave my hand there for about a minute. And now when I remove my hand, we can see that the areas that I was touching have been heated up and turned white. So let's now explain what happens with the demonstration. So the sunlight contains infrared radiation as well as visible light, and infrared radiation is absorbed better by dark-coloured things than white-coloured things. So the dark printed I love physics absorbs the infrared radiation better and gets hotter and heats up the film behind and causes that to go above 28 degrees, while the rest of the film is not as hot because the white paper reflected most of the infrared radiation. And therefore the white parts of the paper and the thermochromic film behind it remained cooler, so the thermochromic film remained black behind where the white paper was. If you want to try this out, I've put the link to the thermochromic film that I bought for this in the description, and I recommend keeping the thermochromic film in the fridge until you're ready to do the demonstration. Wait for a hot sunny day, print out the message that you want to transfer, and then when you're ready, just take it out into the sun and wait 30 seconds or so. Hopefully you agree that this is a fun physics demonstration when you want to show that black absorbs infrared radiation better than white.